Hello, cherished viewers of Kpone TV, that is KCTV, in the eyes of the people for you. Once again, we are coming in your way with another update on Kpone development. And today's update is the ongoing project Kpone Barrier to Prampram Road construction that is going on right now. And as you follow KCTV, we always try to give you the update. Today we are at the Shanghai bus stop where the road is passing through that stretch to the beach side, passing through the Lare, through Tetteh to Prampram. So watch KCTV as we give you the update. And as you can see, the work, the project is going on. You can see the machines that they are digging the ground and filling with another stones, which is compartment section. So right now, what is going on right now is a compartment section that or earthwork. That's the earthwork is going on, and this project is 12.84 kilometers long. 12.84 kilometers long, as you can see right now. So follow KCTV, and the contractor is I.B Magida Limited. I.B Magida Limited. They are in charge of the construction. So follow KCTV as we bring you this Kpone development project. Thank you very much. You there are being equal on Citizen TV to move for the channel KCTV, the eyes of the people. Whatever you do, the call Kpone Barrier, the Kpone Barrier Kwashie Prampram Loli Beni Afe ni Ibawa ke Prampram ke Maji fe ni pole yoni of Greater Accra ne ni nitumo yano amno ne to wenye lie work adi nitumo shikeje barrier ke ba chuke kenyemia oni yano lololo ni agbekuna shamno na fi oji earthwork ni jakeshi sani anashikpon no hewale ojugba adane kake ni bi ehwe no nlo ba chono ni ke nagba ko ba nojunu tumo no na ni yano amno ne ni ba na ke contractor ni yenu tumo ni ji I.B Magida leji contractor ni tumo ni ke we bi ni o se fede no ni amno ni na sheji Shanghai bus stop eni wo chole jemi Shanghai bus stop keji owo former the TMA municipal chief executive Shia here jeme heni ashe di onu na ni bagba road bagba keton assembly engineer department tunhi ke ba tomia hu ke ba je ko ensure na ba je ko ensure na wona wala ke nukule ba tomi ke ba ton Jesus rain so mo shi yes and gba mi tun akashi na gba bibi ko me wo contractor divert be na ke ba tun heni akeba tun amno ne wo follow mo KCTV beni wo ke neken Kpone Barrier to Prampram lodi gbe ni afio ha Greater Accra ma mo fe ni ba wa je tema Accra ka hun ke ti adan fe ba wa follow mo Kpone wo ke Kpone we are the eyes of the people. Wow, what you getting? And no feno kuni ba ya no ni call Kpone development here. Ogba fun jilami. First was my kekejo na video like mo ni o share ni o comment ni keji no ko hunu okwani o fi ni da hu wo ke fun shake ba yen o chowo twese oni wo jade lo ojugba. Ye radon akenye follow Kpone TV. Twa no manya ba.